Is that working? Let's see. I have no idea if that is working. I have no idea if that is working. Hey, looks like it's working. Turn that way the fuck on. No idea if that is working. Hey, looks like it's working. Turn that way the fuck on. How the fuck do I do shit on here? I link this shit. I've never done it before. How the fuck do I do shit on here? Shit, how the fuck do I do shit on here? Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. Alright, what am I working on today? I am trying to get this freaking thing to work properly. Have a look. Alright, what am I working on today? I am trying to get this freaking thing to work properly. That is way too bad. Have a look. Alright, let's see. Okay, so at the moment, I've got it so the unit moves along the terrain alright. It just doesn't rotate at all. So it's always perpendicular. That is what I'm going to try to fix today. But it shouldn't go up weird slopes anymore. Seems to be working pretty well. I thought music's too loud. Check the stream real quick. I thought music's too loud. Shouldn't be too bad. Let's get into the solo sub. Facebook, so. God, Roman. Friggin'. Just press that there, why not? Oh god, lag. link properly. Yeah, fuck. There we go. Yeah, cool. Okay. So, as far as I know, the things are pretty good at physics now. Like, shouldn't have any weird glitches through walls. So that's what I'm gonna try to do at the moment, see if I can break this thing. As far as I know, it shouldn't break. Need to mess with the size of this capsule. You probably can't see, it's really hard to see. There's like a capsule that surrounds the unit. It's sort of what it's colliding with. Let's check if gravity works. Yeah, it seems bouncy. Alright, I think the easiest way to fix this problem. Come on, source control. Don't be like that. Get active forward vector. Get rotation. This doesn't matter. There's that. Rotate VX. Of the base. This shouldn't affect anything at the moment. This fuck right? Easy way to do that would be actually draw the line trace. That's the first thing. 310 or something. Oh, yeah, that's my capsule component. First one needs to go a little bit more down. Make that 30. This is how far down the ray trace will come from below the unit. That's that line that sticks out the bottom. That line down there underneath. And whatever that ray is hitting at the moment, is it's aligning the base, which is the chassis of the unit, to that angle. So the angle of terrain there will be the same angle as the chassis, which gets this really shakeative thing. It's really glitchy, but the point is it works. And it's a step forward at least. It's just, it's weird, you need to have angles. Yeah, it's not actually hitting the ground there. Get a little bit bigger. But I can be 60. Yeah, anyway, speak a little bit louder. So I really need a second one. Flat all along there, even though it's moving. Moving static is really good. So I think it's the reason why it's so jumpy, I think, is because it's detecting every vertice of the environment. It's kind of really hard to show that, but you could slightly see the vertices of the environment. There's little triangles in between each square. Really hard to see at that angle, but you can barely see it. I think that's what it's doing. Every time it goes to a new triangle, it updates the movement, which is why you get that jump. Because it's only like half a degree or something like that. But the point is, it's like the unit's so big that a half a degree is quite noticeable. It's probably fine on these type of angles because it's really flat here. It's when you go for like bumps in the ground like that. Like, if you look at it as a whole, it's not too bad. Do some sort of smoothing on it. I wonder if that'll work though, but just put some sort of smoothing filter over it all. Or a lerp function. Lerp the two rotations together or something. Because physics-wise, it's working perfectly fine over these hills. It's just that the model's freaking out. And again, it's not hitting the ground now. That's not too bad of a failure. Alright. Let me go back to my stream. Oh, that's really nice. There's a little dip there. It's following every vertex. Every triangle, every polygon more or less. Yeah, I don't know. I think a smoothing thing will work, but if I do a lerp function, it's gonna be really weird going over downward hills. Like, I don't know how that would look going over that, for example, with a lerp function. Bolt down straight up. Maybe I should increase the size of the capsule component first. See if that helps. Almost the size of the unit there. Let's do that. I'm gonna make this dynamic somehow. Make it 50 bigger. Knowing I have to use capsules because I can't use anything else. That's what the character blueprint uses. I'm stuck with using a capsule collider for now. Okay, so that's about the width of the unit. No, I broke the camera. I gotta fix that. It's really annoying. Yeah, so that's the width of the unit. So it'll still clip the front and back to the ground, which is going to happen. Does seem a lot better. That weird little bounce there. Yeah, can't get up any of this, can it? Be able to get up any of these gaps. Clip through any of these walls. Can't get through there. Yeah. Might work. Yeah, alright. How the hell am I gonna lap that rotation, eh? Makes rotation given Z and X axis is 0 remain fixed. Let's maybe change them. We can force on this agility. That will be computed. Let's be normalized. Okay. So that's the rotation of the unit. Whoa, I just changed the channel of my TV, didn't I? Sitting on a moment. Alright, so if I lerp those two rotations by using the last position, so I get the actor's last location, the last rotation, and then feed it the new one. And then the difference between those rotations have like a rotation speed maybe? Like 5 degrees a second or some shit. That should stop the instant snapping. What the fuck is this? Music of themes. Alright. Loop to rotations. Yeah, fuck, I'm trying. Let's practice the variable. Car rotation. So we can set the current rotation. Oh, do we need to save this variable? Maybe not. Maybe I can just use the actor rotation. Is there a loop function? Don't know if there is. Not this one that I want anyway. It needs an alpha. It's really annoying. A and B is the alpha. Don't think that'll work. I think I need to do it myself. Alright, so this minus this maybe. Can I? Negative. I might need Morgan for this. This is not my thing. I am not good at rotators. Alright, fuck it. Morgan, that's your job. Not my job anymore. I am not good with math. Let's do networking instead. Networking's easier. Let's do the login system. Okay. Sure, I fixed that before I left. Yeah, okay. To the commander outpost. Okay. Let's do the login system again. Check that all works. Play, login. No errors. Is it game sound? That might be really damn loud. Let me get rid of that. That's really fucking loud. Get rid of that for now. Okay. Let's work on that first then. We'll get the login system working again. I don't know if these loadout systems are gonna work at all. Oh, actually still text them. Okay. Alright, database time. This probably isn't something I should start on stream, but well, it's a small stream, it should be fine. I need to go to TapeWeb. Okay, it's the birth of a name. So those should serve the name at least. The edit loadout button. Okay, why haven't you got a name? Set loadout name to that. I think it's the feather. Probably from this one, isn't it? All loadouts. Wait a minute. Oh, here we go. Plug that in. On construct for each loadout in the game instance loadouts. Give that loadout to the loadout button. Add it to the loadout array. Yeah, that should work. Let's see if that works. There we go. Okay. Next is getting all the unit data, which this shit I broke or lost. Yeah, so that one's just the command. So this here should show this. Oh, I don't have the blueprint inventory anymore either. Shit, okay. That's gonna be a little bit annoying. I don't have any of the buttons anymore. Alright, let's do that first. I don't load out. Yeah, still the stuff I messed with. Alright. Let's stop and stop. Wait, loading. Right. Construct. The loadout it was given from here. Submenu. So this gear gives the loadout to the button, and that's what this variable here is. So it breaks that. We get the name. Give that to. Oh, that's the role. That's the role goes there. The name goes text. The text box, which is there. So that's that one. It's my favorite loadout. That'll be checked. Yeah, which does that show as my favorite? Yeah, it does. New guy, it's aggressive. Which is the roll. Which is that one. Favorite, okay. I think here it is. Units. That's gonna go to that. There we go. Let's put his name back. Into the loadout box. Add chart. Yep. So unclicked. So that's the save button. It should all work. I see. All these are connected. Alright, that might be a little bit annoying. Go to the edit. That's what's happened. Press the command button. Extract sequence. Save unit name, unit type, unit ID, the chassis approach, the potion, parts, and the modules. Alright, so that should probably make this. And it was modified. Modified when we save, that's when it changed. If load ID is equals 0 and the unit ID. Oh, if it's not equal 0, I see. Okay. Let's set the fuck's up on that. Okay, so if the unit doesn't have an ID, so if this is a new unit and we created it, it wouldn't have an ID yet because it wouldn't be saved in the database. So therefore, it's loadout ID. So therefore, it doesn't know what loadout's in yet. So we instead of that, we give it its loadout ID, which is this one. So that way, when we save the unit, we know what the loadout ID is. If we're editing the unit, that's when it does this one. It sets it here. Okay, I get you. What if both of those are 0 though? This is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. Yeah, so it's still possible for that to equal 0 though. Probably already think of that. Pretty sure I have it on the database, so if it equals 0, create the unit on the database, and then get the ID, which it was saved as. We've got 130 at the moment, the IDs. And then save that to the database. Oh yeah, saw that. That should be alright. I think I might have to do something. Add the delete button. Yeah, that should work. Where's the delete button? Let's see if that still works. Yeah, that's the works. Create edit unit widget. Oh, that's the menu of stuff, right? Yeah, that's that. That's the create edit. That's the edit menu widget. What was it called? Edit unit widget. Ah, there we go. Okay, yeah, okay. Here's where the stuff work was. Right. That is a little bit more annoying. Okay. Unit blueprint ID. What the frig? Why is that name like that? Oh, I've made actually. Okay, because the actual struct's name, you know. Okay, so we need to get the chassis. You no longer exist. So I need to modify that. The item database. Okay, so we currently have it so all of the parts in our game are stored in this database. These no longer exist. They do. So I think we'll just use a database to contain everything. Will that work here though? Edit chassis button. I think if we have a more defined, rather than having all these buttons, it's rather having this edit turret button, edit chassis button, and edit propulsion button. I combine them all into one button, which is called edit part button, which is just a more generic, I guess, but put it handles more. It's these all. I have to spawn 3 different types of buttons, one for each type of part. So if you have 2 turrets, you'd require 2 turret buttons, chassis button, and a propulsion button, which would go into that list of things. So rather than doing that, if I just have it so it shows the part data, so I can just be part instead. Let's go to another. I think I can make this generic, right? Yeah, the name of it, that's easy. Yeah, I think a generic button would work well enough. Alright, let's repurpose the edit function button. Call it edit. Check out the server. So I'm just currently uploading it to the server, my changes, and also just making sure that that I delete the old one, so I'm not making 2 different buttons here. So I'm just making sure this is deleting the old one off the server. Back on with content, GUI, not GUI, it's frick. Here's GUI. Yeah, QA numbers, what else? That edit potion button. Once this is done uploading. Come on. done? Yeah. So this needs to get marked for delete. That needs to get marked for delete. And that needs to get marked for delete. Load out. Let's submit that. How do I install code like a pro? Good on, yeah. Yeah, when you put Infinite Warfare in a blender, that kind of happens. Means you don't like the game, right? Stream's still working, cool. Making sure it's my first time streaming. I'll get more into it and a bit more comfortable with it. It's a bit awkward at the moment. You guys probably have no idea what I'm looking at right now, but you know, it's something, yeah, pick up over time. It's kind of the problem with jumping in halfway of the project, so I have no idea what the fuck you're looking at. Okay, so... Okay. Edit unit button ref. Oh, this is directly... Edit unit button. This is directly changing this stuff. Okay. Okay, so that makes it a little harder. Okay. So maybe this edit pop button is really difficult. I still have to do a more generic thing. Just do a little bit of check here. Pop propulsion button more. This is now just called pop button. Okay. So those not working. This is just a part. Change the variable time. Okay. Cool part. That's the name of the part there. Let's get rid of that. Just need the name. Set active propulsion. Maybe I should do this first. Not that one. That's the line. How do I have two of these? Do I need this? Pretty sure that works fine without it. Function. Yep, that'll work fine. Edit unit. Widget red. I see what's happening. Okay. So it's using the actual button itself as a reference. That's how it's determining what parts are on the object. So it's saving a reference to them. Okay, that's really annoying. This is why I build things better. I build it this way, because this is really limiting. Let's see what I got so far anyway. Okay, yes, okay, so we gotta fix this first. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Not jump, great. Planes. Oh, that is really annoying. God, that is gonna be annoying. Okay. If that is not equal to null. Oh, if it's not the same. Wait, not equal to that. For each of these, three element chest. Great. Child. Links to that. So for every part in the part database, which is referencing this. Oh, I love it. Okay, so this doesn't need a UVA unit widget ref. It needs to be a break chassis straw. Is there a way you can change that? I swear to God, that's so annoying. I wish we had like freaking 50 variables in this thing. Every time having to like re-click each of these. Like, is there a way I can set these to like default? Swear to God, if I can move them or something like that. Maybe? I don't know. It's just really annoying having to do that every time. Having to like literally disable these like pins, like fucking flicking them on and off. It's not so bad in this one. It's when you get like freaking ones that are like 50 odd variables. They're really annoying. It just makes everything cleaner. What is going on here? still exist? Oh, mine A. Oh yeah, mine. Okay, hang on. So we're gonna reopen the project. Just because it's probably gonna get a glitch. Because Unreal is not a almighty engine. There are bugs. I encounter them all the bloody time. So just to work around them, I'm gonna reopen Unreal. Whatever this bloody says it. Yeah, that's like it's going alright. Yeah, it's fine. Why is my wallpaper not moving? There we go. I'll do things while I'm waiting. Oh god, what the frick did I just do? I just drag some shit. Fuck up this one. Yeah, that's not pretty, no. Yeah, I thought so. Alright. I don't know. I don't know. Fuck that. Okay, you know, I'm gonna delete all of this. All of this. I don't think we need any of it. I think we literally just did this on the line. Leave it there. That's already good. I need that. What to do? Oh, yes, I do. Okay. Okay, so going with a name system. Okay. Why don't I just check the ID instead? That just seems like a better idea. Yeah, I think the ID would just be way fucking better than names. It's probably a lot faster too. So rather than using the names to check everything, I'm just gonna check the array index with these things. Oh, I wish I could delete the parts there. Can I plug multiple things into That's not equal to the array index. So, okay, so we're going through the parts of the unit. We're going through the entire part database. If the part on the unit is in the database, which is this, so if these are equal, which goes up to here, and is over here. We need an OR node. Okay, so we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this here. Since we're going to do 3 lines. Split node. Okay. And let me grab. That's really annoying. Oh, actually, we need 4. Break the potion struct. We get its pod ID. No. We get potion first. Break that's ID. That's the actual. Turn these off every bloody time. Okay, so that goes on the second one. Okay, so what this is doing is saying if any of these are on the unit, so if any of these parts are in the part database, disable that button, I think? Yeah, it's... Okay, I think I get what that means. That's actually not my problem. Okay, yeah, so this is all the parts now in the entire database. So if any of those are in the thing, disable them. These two are a little bit harder to do for each thing. Which is really damn annoying. For each, and then sequence would probably better here for this. I could probably optimize this, but that is a big optimization. So I'm not gonna bother because it's menus. Menus can be unoptimized. module has. I actually haven't finished modules yet. Ha! That's something I just learned. What the fuck? Let's go to that then and quickly do something about that just so I can actually get shit working with it. Modules. This is technically a turret. What the fuck? Shown her. You sure that's meant to be a turret? Oh, it's the struct. Oh, that's even worse. Hold up. Oh, okay. Jeez, I didn't realize I had that as a problem. Damn, that's a... Oh, it's just name turret. Oh, okay, that's an easy fix. It actually was right. It's just his name turret. Okay. That really confused me for a second. Because they were called the same thing, but they were actually different. Yeah, well, defaults. Yeah. Oh, fuck, this is why. Yeah. This is why I want to be able to disable these pins. But that's it is all freaking manually. Oh, it's so annoying. Disable each and every one of these bloody damn pins. Okay, so move back. This should be one. Should be one. So it should have an item. Oh. I don't know. Shit's weird. Okay, okay, we got all that information now. Oh, fuck. I gotta stop grabbing shit. So if any of those are in the database, I've gotta stop clicking shit and dragging it. Swear to God. If any of those are in the database, so out of everything in the part database, we're getting the unit. If anything on the unit is inside the database, this will equal true. Right? Hang on. If that is not equal to that. Oh, it'll equal false. Okay. So if this isn't in the database, false. Oh, that'll equal true. Okay, yeah, it will equal true. If that is not equal to that, which it isn't equal, so true. Then set is enabled to true. Yeah. And if it's false, set it to the active widget. Reference. Active. Yeah. Why do I have two of those? Set is enabled. The button, right? Yeah, this. Set that enabled. Wait. How are you connected to? Much cleaner. I do like the fact this like visual scripting. Visual scripting is just pretty. Looks nice. Just like look at this shit. It's like you're building a rocket ship. Like jet engine and shit. Oh, it's good. Okay. So that should work now, right? Sure, we'll just put it on the chassis box for now. Edit loadout button. Right, go check out that stuff. What's wrong with this? Aren't you fine? Okay. Delete loadout. What's wrong with delete loadout button? Okay. It did nothing. What else is broken? Edit loadout. I think some of this has changed because I've changed variables. It's all like, nah, this doesn't work even though it should. I didn't change anything, but just wants everything to be recompiled. Edit unit button. Why doesn't this one work? Delete unit button. Why does delete unit button work? It does. Ready? Now it works. What the? All right, sure. All right, let's just accept that then. Why not? Okay. Whatever. I don't know. Edit unit button. Why does the edit unit button need to load out? Add button. Oh, it's adding a unit. Okay. Check. That makes sense. Set active loadout submenu. What? Set active loadout submenu. That's not the name of a blueprint. That's a function, I'm pretty sure. That was in I don't like that. That's really annoying. How it's not telling me that. But I think it was in one of these. Just go around and compile everything. Set active loadout. Loadout submenu. It's gotta be in here, right? Alright, how much you want to bet? If I reopen this. Alright. Reopen the game again, and it'll work. Ready? Watch this. Because no one... Shit, it's probably glitched up again. Let's string it on. Still, he's watching. She's surprised. Cute. Does he even link on Facebook properly? Okay, ready? This will work, ready? That's not my problem. Yep, they work, yep. That's so stupid. Okay, so if I'm right, when I click this, a few of them should be disabled. No. Okay. That should have been disabled for one. And that should. What is that? That's the plasma cannon, isn't it? Fine, where I left off. Alright. Right, let me have a look. That's probably a thing. Item ID 6. Okay. What ID is in the actual thing? Yep, which one? These cannot get removed. There'd be no reason to have these now. Oh, I know why there's an empty one now. That empty one was that one. That one didn't have a name on it. Okay. Where's the unit? Wait. So, where is this getting its value from? Edit unit. It's probably going to the edit unit button, right? Let's do a Oh, I know why that wasn't working. Okay, so that one's gonna go there. That one's gonna go there. That one's gonna go there. So what was happening is it was getting the button and then setting it to enable without actually checking if its ID was the same because of the sequence node. Since it runs that entire line first. If you put it at the end, it'll do the other two things first now. So maybe this will work. Nope, still not working. Oh, that definitely was a problem though. It's a problem. I just realized that probably doesn't do anything. The top two probably work, but the bottom two don't. Probably not, eh? I'm creating the part. Or the widget for it anyway. Then it checks me, these are true. Let's print this. Alright, let's print the chest. Should be 6. One. Oh, that's Viper. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. One is Python, so that's the Python chest. We can actually check that out. Yeah, Adam ID 1. Chest. Pretty sure. Python chest. Python chest. Python. That works though. That does work. We just confirm that does work. No, wait. Wait. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, one such should have definitely worked. Not the all node. There we go. My guess is these stuff I wrote those two. Ooh, hang on. Okay, hang on. Maybe. Okay. Better thing is this. It's an and node we need. See that. There we go. Okay. So now let me see if this works. Don't think it will, but we can try it. Right. Can one more. Oh, it does work. Yeah, surprised by that. Get the turret. Does that work? I just don't think it would, but it might. Get it. Okay, yeah. Branch node. This shouldn't work. Don't think it would. I just don't see that work. I think I need a local variable. No way, I could make it work, but. Why is the top one? Is that because there's no module? Is that because of this one? Yeah, because it's gonna return ID 0. Right? Because it's returning ID 0. Because there is none. The same for that one. Got the second one, right? Nope, that never happened, right? I got my logic wrong. Hang on, so that's gonna be a call. Or I can say if it is, it goes there. Alright, wow. Okay, and let me think this logically. Okay, let me just more quick. So if the ID is 2, and the module ID is also 2, that makes this equal, makes this false, and all these 3 will be true, makes all this false, and that goes to the X widget, blah, 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 blah. And 2 1 equals. That's true. Oh, those are all false. That is true. It's not equal that. That's true. That's true. That's false. Because that's false. That becomes the active part widget. By itself. Yeah, okay. False, right, yep. That is false. But this is also true. Okay, so we can just solve for this. I should check if the ID is 0. Oh, okay, yeah, because this is straight up going to be no. So. That one. Just like that. Add another turret. Or if it didn't have a turret. Oh, we can check actually. Check really fucking that greater than 0. This does not feel like a good way to do this. Try it. Doesn't that result in the same thing? It doesn't change anything. I don't think that changes anything. Yeah. It's not information, it's negative information, so It's what we don't have, that's the problem. Because we don't have answers for it, that's why I'm something else. Me stopping an answer for it won't change anything. It's the fact that there is nothing there. That's the problem. Because with negative information, we need to provide information. It's the only way we get rid of it. So in order to provide information to a negative equation, we need to add or something to it. So, or we have something that's default and then we remove from it. Maybe I do have to do multiple checks. That's more than a tiny bit. There we go. There we go. All good. Okay. Alright, right. Let's retry this. Okay. Let's just think from the start. Redo this. Let's get it. Clear head. Okay. I don't even think this will work. I really don't think this will work. I just don't feel like that's a good way to build it. Like, probably would work, but I don't know enough about Unreal to really know that well. For each, setting this variable. This is kind of like a variable. Yeah. Ah, I see. Okay. That makes sense. Alright. Still rotating. Don't need to work on rotation in the hills. That's annoying. I need to fix this bloody problem, Jordan. Help me. It's annoying. I don't know. It's negative information. It's freaking annoying me. I don't like negative information. But I'm trying to check. These are in the unit class. Do I think they are? Like, it's the fact that this is always a 0. Because it's not in the class, it's going to return a 0. Right? So if it's not equal to 0... If it's equal to 0... This is equal to null, so it's automatically, because it's an integer, null is equal to 0. Right? And because it's a 0, it's not going to be equal to anything. Which is why it's always true. No, because it's going to be equal to the 0 integer, which means the first one in this list will be disabled, right? Hold on. If that's like that, only the first one should be disabled. Why is the second one disabled? Oh, that's because of the Python tracks, right? Yeah, okay, so that's there because it's 0. Okay, so maybe that's not a problem. Maybe that isn't a problem. Maybe I can just work around that by not adding the 0 into the list, right? I think that's doing what I want it to. Yeah, 4 buttons. That's the 4 things here. Okay, I still need to check this though. I need to check negative information. No, not negative. I need to check that this works. So I've got to add something to the buttons. I don't mind. It's just that my target. 2 doesn't matter. Okay, that should work, right? Don't give me an error. Okay. I'm pretty sure this will provide an error. Oh, maybe. Here it is. This is alright. This worked though. Well, actually, this won't show any different. Yeah, that's not different. Okay. Let's just do the fucking keys. It's alright, man. I got it. I'll figure it out. It's not too big a deal. Literally, I just need to remove one of these. Right? Let's remove all the tracks. No, that's not gonna be. Oh, I can't. Actually, is Plasmic hasn't even the freaking item about it? Hang on. Oh, it is here. Okay. The both here. Okay. That has to be there. Okay. I need to put. I go. Different weapon, so that means we should have 2 enable buttons. Tell me if that 4H. I don't think that 4H works. Wait, let's see. Okay, I also need to edit this goddamn widget now. Make shit smaller. Actually, can I put a scroll button? Scroll. Is that actually a scroll bar? This is a scroll bar. What the fuck? Wait, how many items are in that box? Oh, that's interesting. That's really interesting. So it's getting the last thing from the... Yes, this isn't working. Okay. That confirms what I was thinking. So in that case, I need to do a local variable. It has to work with a local variable. I have to go... That's too complicated. That's a simple way. I don't know, fuck it, I'll try that. I don't think that'll work. Yeah, it's literally doing the same thing. Yeah, the same thing. Alright, I would really love to know if that fucking works. Can I, like, make this smaller? Just for a while. Font. Alright. First. Oop. Wrong one. Okay, now I can see it. Okay, I think, right? No, I can't. If that even works. Did I just make that worse? Like, they want more or less. Okay, it's gonna be even smaller. Actually, no, wait, no. No, not that one. F11. God damn it. This my scaling is too strong. Font. Let's make it 18. Tiny as fuck. Shouldn't be scaling the font, right? So that should work. Right. Think. Yeah, now I can see it. Okay, so Plasma Cannon is enabled. Okay, so that is doing what I think it is. Okay. Alright. So I need to somehow check every one of them in the array if their ID is currently in the unit. That button needs to become enabled, right? Yeah, I think I could do it the way I was thinking, which was just Okay, I think I can do it this way. I think I can go. Okay, so rather than doing this, I use a local variable. I don't know if I can call it something like that. set this to whatever this equals. Let me get this. That resolves the problem, right? I think. Oh god, I put that the wrong one, didn't I? That one. Why do I have 5 of these? Okay. Let me duplicate this. Let's call it module in blueprint. I don't know, it's a really weird name, but I don't know. Set that on this one. This. Yeah, it's really messy now, and I'll fix it up in a second. But will that work? So if I'm right, cannon and pleasant turret should be disabled. Right. Nope, all of them are. Okay, never mind. No, completed. Maybe. Maybe not. I don't think that makes a difference, but it might in this situation if I can bother to think. No, okay. Ah, damn it. Why is that not work sometimes? Because I can do that though. Okay. Okay, so I'm setting the turret unit. Oh, then I need a brake. How do I do a brake loop? For each with brake. That's what I need. I need a brake loop. Because if that isn't it, then I need to break it. So I need actually a freaking branch node. Okay. That goes to there. That goes to there. Get a branch node. That is false. Oh god, that's so messy. Man, I need to fix this up. Messy blueprints. Annoying. I think it's false, right? Yeah, it's false. So if it's false, do that. Backwards, maybe? Ah, god. My head. I'm gonna figure this out. Come on. To get its ID. If its ID is not equal to the current ID, it's true. If it equals false, stop the loop. can go to that one. That one will all equal true. Then let's finish. Okay, so we need to do. I know what's I think I know what's happening. We need to set these. It's weird. It's opposite of what I think. Yeah, these are actually opposite variable. Hang on. So we actually rename these to not. I think what's happening is I'm not declaring them. That's such a weird way to say not module in unit blueprint. Goddamn. At least I know what that means. Okay, that worked. Because the unit blueprint is 1, that explains the entire list is enabled. Yeah, there we go. That did it. Because the ID was from the module ID was 0. Because that was 0, it was causing all the rest to be false, which is causing the entire list to be disabled. That's why that was happening. Actually, I wonder if that would work at the for each loop then, because I don't see why you actually need this. Oh no, you do need it because yeah, I need that anyway. Because what happens is if that was false, if it wasn't the last thing in the array, you go from 1 and then go back to true, which would stop this from changing. So yeah, we need the break loop either way. Okay, oh god. This can all be. Yeah. Pretty much know what's happening. I pretty much know what's happening, so that's good enough. Database. That's not in the Power database. Yeah, it works. Cool. Alright. Now we have the ability to set shit based on what it started. Okay. Now I have a way to actually check all this stuff on my units. Yeah, I'm fixing the rest of the bloody problem. Oh, that all is one little note now. Okay, that works. Alright. Get a unit widget. Here's the problem. I don't know if I can do much more with that loadout system. Yeah, I might need the new loadout system before I miss any of that. Alright, well, I guess that going for now. We'll work on some networking for now. I need to make sure. Let's set the default burial. What am I doing? I have no idea what I'm doing. Fuck it, we'll just do it this way. It's just easier. I ain't meant to do it anyway. Be lazy. Spark, yep, cool. No transition. That's good to know. Huh, I was thinking of 2 turrets. That's quite funny. Let's get rid of that second turret. This would be... Can't go into there anymore. Actually, that's right. Step. Yeah. Birch, Maximus, yep, Corporation. Okay. Alright, here we go. Current unit. Open it. It's there. Give me my check. Now it play. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, this thing doesn't have a slot. YouTube, what are you doing? There we go. What is happening? What are you doing? Okay, can you close? Thank you. I don't need to know how to do different digits. This is lagging really badly. I think my OBS is. Okay, get it, like. Hold up a minute, guys. Just trying to figure out how this isn't working. Desktop is like fucking up. Go away, just close tabs. Close anime. Watch anime at the moment. Nice. Or don't, just stay open. Whatever. Whatever. Okay. What was I to say again? Yeah, right. Networking. Alright, so let's network this with 2 players. I gotta trim the recording actually. Alright, you know, I'm gonna close. Stop for a second. Okay. Am I still recording? Still recording? I hope so. I will find out in a second. Think so. Yep, looks good. Think so. Alright, let's put some music on. Think so. Alright, let's put some music on. Think so. Alright, let's put some music on. Revabbing. Let's put some. Any requests from anybody? Just put on a gaming mix or something. This is probably not that good. Also, way too loud. Also, way too loud. You know what, that'll do. Also, way too loud. You know what, that'll do. Also, way too loud. That was reverbing off of my mic, isn't it? Okay, let's just do this. Alright, let's see if there's an extra button. I have not tested this in a while. Looks alright. problems with running into each other. Very well. I have a dumb RTS unit. I have one of my big around things. That's pretty good. Let's try that. Oh lord, it's gonna lag. Which while streaming. Oh, it's gonna lag like a bitch. I have no idea, sleep. Surprisingly, it's working. What happened here? You spawn outside the map. Still a network sync. Yeah, it's still synced up. Alright, did he get some problems? Yeah, so... Oh, Alright. I might call it a day for a bit. Some more devil flying. Need some food. Alright, well, I'm gonna call this a stream today for today, guys. You know, I'll start doing these pretty much every day now. Every time I do dev from now on, I'll be doing these streams all the time. So hopefully we'll get a channel for these. And yeah, should be around there. I'll get better at it. I mean, I'm pretty quiet with streaming usually. I don't really talk too much. Yeah, this will be a journey. I'm gonna document the entire experience, the entire journey of developing this game from this point. Every time I do development from this point forward, I'm gonna try to keep some documentation of it all. Hopefully people can be able to help me out when I get problems and things, you know, give me comments and stuff, tell me what I'm doing wrong, stuff like that. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. I'm using OBS, whatever program, shit, I don't know. I like OBS, it's easy to use. Alright guys, I'll catch us.